Did you know that most people spend over an hour a day just dealing with noise pollution? It's not just annoying, it can actually affect your well-being. Whether it's the rumble of a busy street, the chatter of a crowded commute, or just the constant hum of daily life, these sounds can be more than just disruptive. They interfere with your focus, mental clarity, and even your mood. Ignoring this problem could mean resigning yourself to a world where peace and quiet are just out of reach. Over time, the stress and distraction add up, impacting your work, relationships, and well-being. But what if I told you there's a way to reclaim that peaceful space? Enter the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. These aren't just earbuds. They've been engineered to create an oasis of sound clarity. The industry-leading active noise cancellation feature makes your loudest environments as quiet as a whisper, whether you're on a busy train or just trying to relax at home. Transparency mode is another game changer. It allows you to stay aware of your surroundings while still enjoying your favorite tunes, perfect for when you're walking or cycling. Don't just take my word for it. Over 90% of users report a significant improvement in sound quality and comfort. The AirPods Pro 2nd Gen are consistently rated as top performers in the wireless earbud category. Ready to elevate your listening experience? Get your Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen today for $399. Trust me, once you try them, you won't want to go back to your old earbuds. Check the link in the description to grab yours now.